5 best crypto
passive income strategies in 2025, futuristic synth music or upbeat tech beat, quick montage of Bitcoin, Ethereum, DeFi apps. Intro: want to earn crypto while you sleep in 2025? Want to earn crypto while you sleep? These 5 passive income strategies are working right now in 2025. You are the crypto app open, coins floating, wallet loading. 1. Staking ETH, ADA, Sol first up staking. Lock your crypto to secure the network and earn rewards. Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana are top choices. On screen, chart of staking rewards, staking dashboard, coin stacking animation. 2. Liquidity pools provide liquidity to platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap and earn trading fees. Be careful of impermanent loss though. On screen, visual of DEX, 2 tokens in a pool, percentage APY popping up. 3. Crypto savings CEFI use crypto savings platforms to earn interest on stablecoins like USDC or DAI. Nexo, Ledn, and others still offer competitive APYs. On screen, wallet app, stablecoin icons, 8% APY floating above. 4. Yield farming advanced but rewarding earned by rotating your funds across high-yield DeFi protocols. Watch gas fees and risks. On screen, animation of funds moving between protocols, flashing April numbers. 5. Run a node validator. Got some tech skills? Run a validator node for networks like Avalanche or Cosmos. It takes setup but earns steady crypto. On screen, terminal window, network nodes connecting, coins generating. Ready to earn passive crypto income? Whether you're new to crypto or leveling up your DeFi game, passive income is the future. Which one are you trying first? On screen, call to action, like, subscribe and drop your favorite strategy below. Bonus tip: diversify across strategies to reduce risk. Bonus tip: spread your assets. Don't go all in on one method. Diversification is key. On screen, pie chart animation splitting investments. Don't forget like and subscribe.